Hello, this is Ravza.
And this is Beza.
Welcome to Fun Facts with R&B. Today we're going to be talking about our magical sea world.
Ooh, what's so magical about them?
I'm going to tell you guys, but first, here are some fun facts from...
Let me guess, Dr. Binox.
Now on to our fun fact. These are lakes, rivers, and hidden waterfalls in the ocean.
Really? How is that possible?
What is even more impressive is that these underwater lakes and rivers can drastically range in size, ranging from only a few feet across to a few miles wide. How is that possible? These lakes and rivers form when seawater seeps up through thick layers of salt beneath the seafloor. When the salt layer dissolves, it causes a depression on the ocean floor. Then the dissolved salt makes the water denser, and this dense water settles into these depressions, creating an underwater bodies of brine. These brine pools also attract a bunch of alien-looking marine animals. Now on to the video.
So captivating. But I have an even more magical fact for you.
Let's hear it then.
Light gives the ocean its iconic blue color. The deep blue color of the ocean is an inspiring thing. There is a hefty amount of artists, designers, and musicians who have drawn deep down inspiration from the alluring ocean colors. However, a lot of people are not informed about where the ocean gets its color. The answer may surprise you. The ocean's color is the result of the water absorbing colors in the red part of the light spectrum. The water acts like it's a filter, leaving behind colors in the blue part of the spectrum. Light bouncing off the floating sediments and particles in the water also help the ocean take on green, red, or other hues sometimes. Wow. Because blue wavelengths penetrate much deeper than some other wavelengths. The deeper you go in the ocean, the bluer it gets. On to the video.
Why is the ocean blue?
'Cause ocean water reflects blue color of the sky.
You are right, but not completely. The main reason for oceans to be blue is the way water molecules absorb and scatter the colors of sunlight. Sunlight has 7 visible colors. They are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
Yeah, I saw them in a rainbow.
Now, when sunlight falls on the ocean, it passes deep into the water. Here, red, orange, yellow, and green colors of sunlight are absorbed more strongly by water molecules, while blue, indigo, and violet colors are not absorbed much. Instead, they are scattered, making the ocean appear blue to us. However, as the blue shades penetrate deeper into the ocean, eventually they also get absorbed. Hence, at greater depths, the ocean is completely dark.
So that's why it has a beautiful color. How amazing. Well, I have another fun fact to tell you guys.
I'm intrigued.
The water cycle is a continuous journey water takes from the sea to the sky to the land and back to the sea. The movement of water around our planet is vital to life as it supports plants and animals, powered by the sun. The water cycle is happening all the time. Though some parts of the cycle take hundreds of years, water from the Earth's ocean is seeded by the sun rays, which causes it to change into a gas and rise into the air. This is called evaporation. Once high up in the sky, the gas begins to cool and turns back into a liquid, condensation. The water droplets from clouds, which become heavy and fall from the sky in the form of rain, sleet, hail, or snow, that is called precipitation.
Hello friends, and welcome to another new Happy Learning video. Today we will learn all about the water cycle. Earth, which is the planet we live on, is known as the blue planet because as much as 3/4 of the planet's surface is water. And water is so very important because without it there would be no life. Without it, these sweet little otters wouldn't exist. Or these playful bears. nor this conceited bird, or even us, the human beings. That is why we must look after it. We should conserve our water well, and most of all, we must maintain our rivers and oceans clean. Did you know water never stands still, but is in always constant movement, even though at times it doesn't seem like it? This water movement is what we call water cycle. Now, let's learn more about it. When the sun warms the water on the Earth's surface, it evaporates, converting itself into water vapor or steam. And it begins its incredible journey, flying into the sky, up towards the atmosphere. This first stage of its journey is known as evaporation. When the water converts in vapor, it rises towards the atmosphere, then cools down, transforming itself into clouds. This second stage of its journey is called condensation. Once the water has condensated and turned into a cloud, it continues its amazing journey by being blown by the wind, traveling from one place to another. Clouds are actually tiny little drops of water suspended in the air. But when the clouds grow, they collect more and more water. These water drops then crash into each other and become bigger drops of water. Then, at some point, they will end up falling to the ground in the form of rain or even snow. This stage of the water cycle is called precipitation. The water which falls to the ground, which precipitates in the form of either rain or snow, may land in rivers or even on the ground, to then seep through to subterranean currents of water. All this water must continue its long journey, covering vast amount of distances until it finally reaches the sea. When it arrives at the big blue sea, it will once again begin the process. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. That is why it's called the water cycle, because it forms a never-ending circle. Isn't the water just so incredible? Well, that's it for now. Until the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to Happy Learning.
How interesting.
I know, right?
Here's a little song for...
Thanks for watching Fun Facts with RMB. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned to Fun Facts with RMB on NTR with Turksat. Goodbye.